everyone, welcome to my channel. So my today's topic is how to customize your blogger theme. So you can see guys, this is the theme customization page, and I am going to start step by step process to customize this theme. So this is the you can see this is the theme option. In this theme option you will see different kinds of themes. You can choose any theme to your and apply to your blog. So I'm showing you their contempo types theme: Soho, Emporio, Notable. So four types of themes, and under one kind of theme there are many themes. Like in contempo you can see in below there are 5 types of themes. So I'm choosing this first one. Okay, I've chosen this first one theme. So simply I am not doing it again because I already customized my theme. I'm just showing you how you can do this. So just whatever theme you want, I'm just suggesting you choose the first one and then click on apply to blog. So uh, your first option will be completed, your theme will be applied on your blog, and the next is background. So you have to set your, now you have to start customizing your theme. In the first option you only selected theme and applied on your blog. Now you have to customize whatever you have selected. So in background you will set your theme's background. There are so many colors, you can choose this colors if you want, and this color will appear in your theme's background. So you can see here will be visible your blog theme background, default background. I have actually removed the background, and but I am showing you there are different patterns available. You can set your background with them, like the arts you are watching. There are different types of arts: business, celebrations, entertainment, family, food and drink. Whatever you will open, you will see different kinds of patterns and arts. If you want to apply anyone, then you can do, but I am suggesting you don't need to apply these patterns because these are not blog friendly patterns. If you're simply making any blog just for an example, then you can do this. But if you are going to use your blog for making money or showing to audience, then I'm just suggesting you don't apply these patterns. You can upload your any you can upload any image from here. I am suggesting you this is actually good. So if you have any one color image, like only white, only gray, so whatever color you want, you can do this. So I'm choosing here one image from my file manager. I've recently I've made it. So yeah, I've choosing it. Actually what I did, I just took one white background and captured it, and now I am just taking it to apply on my blog. So it is done, it is uploading, it got upload, and now I am doing done. So you can see the image is getting appear here. There's an option like remove image. You can also set color from here if you want, but I don't want and I'm not going to do it. Now I'm clicking on apply to blog. So it's getting applied to my blog. Then next I will go to advanced option where I can set different types of settings, like my blog's text color, post color, tabs color, icons color. So I'm just clicking on it. So now you can see in advanced there are different options. First is page test, means this is your blog page, so whatever test you are watching here, this is for test setting. So here is font and default settings, so I'm suggesting you don't make any changes there. Color, whatever color you want to pick, but everyone uses actually black, so just use black color. And you can see already here selected black color, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Next is background. In background there is height option, body background. Here body background I have to keep actually white, so I'm not going to change it. Post background color, so whatever the post is, the background color for post, so you are watching here is appearing blue, so I'm going to choose it white color. So now you can see this is turned into white, and finally apply to block. So guys, it is going done. Next I will show you another option. So after background there is links, so whatever links you will make in your blog, like external internal, there's settings for these links. So link color, whatever you want to choose, but I have already set it in orange color. So if you want any color you can choose, but simply make any user friendly color. Set any user friendly color, whatever the audience like. Audience don't like any bright color, so don't choose like blue, pink, red. You can do if you want, but I'm suggesting you choose any light color, so that's why I am choosing a orange color. Link hover color, so I have for link color, widgeted link color and link hover color, for all I've set orange, and I'm going to apply to block. Next is block title. So this is settings is for block title. So in block title, what color you want to set? Font, I'm not going to change it. Color, yeah, I'm thinking to change the color, so I'm just picking any simple color. Like first I want to apply different kind of colors to see what color is looking pretty. Like black, I think black is looking good, but not this black. Another black like this. So how is it looking now? You can see how it is looking now. It's looking, I think, good, but I want some dark. So I'm choosing this middle one, and I think this is looking good. So background icon color, this is asking for icon, so for icon also I'm using this color, middle one. I'm going to apply it. So next is tabs test. So there are some tabs you will see highlighted, like whatever will be the pages of your blog, like home page, different menus page, about us page, contact us page. So these are actually tabs. So what color you want to set for these tabs, you can set here. Font, I'm saying again, don't make any change, because blogger is already master of all this. So I'm just changing only colors at all. So text color, for tabs text color, I'm choosing text color, selected color, pop-up background color. So for all I'm just choosing black, middle one black. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Pop-up text color is already set, still I'm choosing middle one. So I want to give a equal look. I don't want to show my blog theme somewhere is bright, somewhere is light. So next is pop-up selected color is also set. Still I'm choosing middle one and apply to block. Now it's posts, setting for posts. So it is showing post, so because we are going to change in post settings. So post title color set here black. Okay, and post text color, post byline color, all are set. Here I made some change because it is not bad to make somewhere one change. So all colors are set already, so I'm going to apply to block. Next is for search. For search bar, choose color. Input color means whenever someone will search on your blog, so what color will come. So I'm going to choose it black. Input font placeholder text color, this is also black, and apply to block. Next is sharing. Anyone when share your article, settings for that. To sharing background color is black, so I'm going to set it dark black. Sharing text color is also dark black. Sharing icon color is also this black. Set. Now it's popular posts. So now it is showing popular posts to me, but I have to set actually it is actually showing how will our blog look. So let's see how will it look. Okay, so now we can see there actually coming one error, but I am going to set it. So this is my blog. I have made all settings are actually saved, but I am again going to that option whatever I was setting, that was popular posts. So there will be some popular posts of your blog. There also a widget added in Blogger. So popular post background color what you want is should be white. This set. Byline color is also set, so you can set any different color, but I am choosing it. Title color, all you will find all things set as should be, but you can make any change as you want. Popular post link color, so what link color what should happen. So I was actually first choosing all color orange for link, so it is also now showing orange color. I am going to apply to block. So now all settings are done, and my theme is actually totally customized now, and I'm going to see it how it will look. So let's see, this is my blog. Settings are done, text is coming in black, link colors is orange, Okay, pages, all this. Actually, I have changed theme just now. That's why there is not showing my page. So I will have to set my page. I will have to move these pages properly. These labels actually showing labels, so I have to transfer all my labels into my pages so that I can see here a well arranged menus. I can see here well arranged menus as you see normally. So in my next post I will actually show you how you can set menus, how you can transfer all your labels post in different menus. So I will meet you in my next video guys. Till then, bye bye.